Astragalus Benefits with treatment. Benefits: boosts the immune system, slows or prevents the growth of tumors, protects the cardiovascular system, regulates and prevents diabetes and illnesses related to diabetes, reduce blood pressure. Now foods, Astragalus review. Description: immune system support, a dietary supplement, botanicals herbs, quality GMP Assured. Astragalus Root, Huang has been used as a popular herbal tonic in China for many centuries. Some of the known active components include flavonoids, free amino acids, trace minerals and polyphenols. Suggested use: take 2 capsules 2 to 3 times daily, preferably with food. Other ingredients: gelatin, capsule, magnesium stearate, vegetable source, and stearic acid, vegetable source. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution: for adults only. Consult your physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.